Hi, it's Rich from Motorcycle Garage. So, the clutch has now been changed, the aluminium clutch and the clutch plates, new ones, all new. I'm just going to run her up because it makes a lot of difference on the sound. So here we go. Pop this down a second. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I've warmed it up, 44 seconds. Let's put it in the clutch. Very quiet. It's still got a dry clutch sound, but if you want, it's all solid now. Not so tinging. I thought I'd just show you. Very happy with it. That is tip over, so we just tip over and oh, no, it's alright. Do a little bit on the old throttle increase. Thankfully it's not choke as such, just ready to tip over. There we go. Just got to put the side panel back on now, which I will do. It's a lovely cold freezing weather. Okay. See you soon.